If you're tired of begging for a seat at the table, you may want to listen up because I'm going to tell you how I built my own table. And I learned how to generate replacement income using the same step-by-step blueprint I'm about to introduce to you. It's called the Freedom Formula Blueprint, and it's given me a whole new perspective on viable business ownership and being my own boss. Now, this isn't my first business venture, but it is the best I've encountered to date. And I'm excited to share it because I know what hundreds of thousands of people are dealing with in today's job economy, and I really want to help you gain the freedom I've discovered. Business ownership is so much easier in today's digital world, and my only regret is that I didn't find out about this particular opportunity sooner. Because I could have saved myself a lot of hassle, a lot of disappointments, and a lot of letdowns. And I know many of you know exactly what I mean. This isn't a get-rich-quick thing. It's a digital marketing framework built on 4 pillars that you can learn and apply at your own pace. My name is Kimberly Court, and I'm a 6-time layoff survivor who just got tired of doing all the right things the right way, yet still got drop-kicked by corporate America when it was convenient for them. And if this sounds familiar, and in today's job economy, I know it does, you probably need to watch this video. Especially if you're over 40 and tired of being reorged, laid off, or just quietly pushed aside. And if you feel that knot in your stomach every time there's a quick meeting or surprise email because you know the layoff is coming, just not sure when, this is for you. Or maybe you've already been shown the door and now finding out you've aged out and can't find something that will pay you what you deserve or even what your last job paid. In fact, did you know that 60% of people who get laid off over 40 have a hard time finding another position that will even pay them what they were making before? Or maybe you simply want more stability, more time for faith and family, and a path that doesn't depend on budget concessions. That's exactly where I was, and I decided it was time to stop looking back and do something different because I knew my worth and I knew I deserved better. I decided it was time for income stability for retirement that I control. I didn't want another side hustle because, let's be honest, most side hustles are just that, a hustle. They pay very little, they demand a lot of time, and they leave you exhausted, overwhelmed, and burned out. I've been there. And traditional businesses aren't much better. They involve huge startup costs, complex skills, staff, rent, inventory, and returns. And a lot of online business models fail busy people because they require constant DMs and chasing people. They require high pressure selling and complicated tech setups. But you don't need more noise and more tasks. You need a simple, focused game plan that can lead to income if you're willing to learn it and stick with it. So here's where a different approach comes in. The Freedom Formula Blueprint is designed to teach you how this digital business model actually works. How to use simple online systems instead of doing everything manually. How to focus on a realistic 2-hour workday framework you can build around your life, and it centers around proven digital products with Master Resell Rights, which means you're learning how to sell a program that allows you to keep 100% of the profit, no affiliate commissions, no profit sharing, and you don't have to worry about inventory, shipping, customer service, or physical returns, and you're not limited to just one product. You'll learn how to market a suite of digital offers at different price points, and all with Master Resell Rights, which include the Launchpad 2.0 program, which currently sells for a one-time smart investment of $100, or the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, which sells for a one-time smart investment of only $300. Then we have the Digital Mastery program, which is only a one-time smart investment of $600. And our signature top-tier Legacy Builders program with added bonuses, including Canva training and certification for a one-time smart investment of $900. And that's where I bought in. Now, Legacy Builders is by far the smartest investment because it includes all 4 programs plus bonuses, which are worth more than the $900 by themselves, and the opportunity for certification. This is the only package that comes with bonuses and certification, and there's a payment plan that will allow you to get started today for less than $50 and set yourself up for an amazing 2026. You also get a done-for-you digital storefront that's customizable for an additional one-time $39 cost. And this includes your sales funnels and landing page. Now, of course, prices and details can change over time, so you'll always want to check the information page for the most current updates. But the point is, ultimately, you're learning how to plug into a proven system with multiple offers and multiple potential income streams instead of trying to build everything from scratch on your own. Now, here's a quick rundown of what each program is designed to teach you. I'll start with our Legacy Builders 2.0. This is the top tier $900 program, and it gives you a complete roadmap to building your online brand and digital business from absolute scratch with no prior experience. And you can get it on the payment plan. The Digital Mastery program, our $600 plan, it's also included with the Legacy Builders, and it shows you how to work smarter, not harder, by focusing on automation, marketing, and scalable systems that help you multiply your efforts. The Passive Daily Pay Blueprint program, the $300 program, it's also included with Legacy Builders and Digital Mastery. And it shows you how to set up automated systems that can generate daily digital income even when you're not working. And finally, our Launchpad program, our $100 program, which is also included with Legacy Builders, Digital Mastery, and Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, and it shows you how to get your business online fast using done-for-you templates and systems with no tech experience. And depending on which level you buy in at, that's what you can resell it for. Now keep in mind, these programs are education and tools, and there are no guarantees. They're designed to provide you with the skills, systems, and structure you can apply at your own pace, so results and timing will vary. Now I want to give you a high-level view of the 4 pillars inside the blueprint so you can decide if it's something you want to learn more about. Pillar 1, automated systems. This is where your business works even while you sleep. You'll learn how to set up simple systems so the information can work for you. And instead of explaining the same thing over and over again in DMs, you'll learn how to put your information in front of people 24/7 and use basic automation so people can watch, learn, and decide in their own time. You can let a system do most of the explaining. Pillar 2, attraction marketing. This is where customers come to you, and you can look at the online world as your window to unlimited customers by using the ultimate marketing system to attract customers to you on autopilot. You'll learn how to attract the right people instead of chasing the wrong ones. And rather than bugging your family and friends, you'll learn how to use simple content and free ads to get interested people coming to you. And tap into social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. You'll learn how to treat each piece of content like digital real estate that can keep working for you over time. The goal is not to turn you into a pushy salesperson, but to teach you basic attraction marketing so the right people find you and say, "Tell me more." Pillar 3 is the 2-hour daily blueprint where you'll learn what to focus on in your limited time so you don't get overwhelmed or burned out. Most people quit because they don't know what to do from day to day. But this pillar is about learning how to follow a simple, repeatable 2-hour routine, which you'll learn more about in the program. It'll also help you focus on income-producing activities instead of random busy work, and combine creating content, driving traffic, and sharpening your skills in a way that fits in with your busy life. No 10 or 12-hour days, but a clear, realistic framework you can apply consistently and adjust as you grow. Now, Pillar 4 is about community and mentorship. You'll learn inside a community of over 57,000 and growing, not in isolation, because you're in business for yourself, but you don't have to be by yourself. You'll get weekly live calls and mentoring, tech help, and strategy support. You'll also get step-by-step guidance so you're not guessing your way through. And you'll learn how to attract daily paying customers, keeping 100% profit. But the program also shows you how to do this without incurring monthly expenses or spending money on ads. Your content works for you, and it's always evergreen because it never goes away, so new people are seeing it every day. And if you're camera shy, you can even make faceless content, and the Legacy Builders program teaches you how to do that. Next, I'm going to share some wins from people in our community who are already using the skills they've learned to pay down debt, supplement, or replace income and create more breathing room for their families. But again, please keep in mind these are possibilities, not promises. Your results will depend on your effort and consistency. No specific income is guaranteed, and only what's possible if you follow the process. What you get out of it will depend on your effort, your consistency, your willingness to learn, implement, and keep going. It works if you work it, and everyone's results are different. So here's your next step. If you're tired of feeling disposable to an employer and you at least want to see how this blueprint works, here's what to do next. Click the link in my bio or description to get your free copy of the Freedom Formula Blueprint and video, which gives you even more insight into this amazing opportunity. From there, you can ask yourself, is this a model I want to learn more about and plug into? Am I willing to give myself 2 focused hours a day to build something that belongs to me and my family? Now, if your answer is yes to both of these questions, then the Freedom Formula Blueprint and these 4 pillars are a powerful place to start. So click the link, get the blueprint, and hopefully I'll see you on the inside with me and over 57,000 who've already discovered digital income freedom.